Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying which shell holds the commands you want to remove, because the how depends on Bash versus PowerShell versus CMD. Once you know the shell, open a terminal with the right privileges. Use sudo or run as administrator where necessary. Next, make a quick backup of the history file or export the current history so you can restore if needed. This prevents accidental data loss and gives you a rollback if something goes wrong during deletion. Now perform the deletion steps specific to your shell. For Bash, run history C, then overwrite /. Bash history with an empty file and log out to ensure the shell writes the empty state. For PowerShell, run clear history, and for the Windows console, clear or remove console host history files located in your user profile. Restart the host to apply. For plain CMD, exe, clear the visible buffer and delete any custom log files, because CMD normally does not persist history across sessions, so remove where you stored it. Finish by restarting every shell session and verifying the history is gone. Use history in Bash or get history in PowerShell. If history still appears, make sure no other session rewrote the file, close all terminals and remove leftover history files. Only delete your backup after you confirm success. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, check file ownership and permissions, and ensure no background process or locked session is holding the history file. Fix permissions or terminate sessions, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.